If you want to erase all content and settings on your iPhone recoverable, follow the steps below. From your iPad or iPhone, go to Settings Application, click on the General button. Go to the bottom of the screen and click on the Reset button. Click on Erase all content and settings. Erase iPhone. Confirm the action by clicking the Erase iPhone button again. Input your Apple ID secure code to turn off Activate Lock and remove the iPhone from Find My iPhone. If you want to reset all content and settings iPhone and completely erase iPhone, KoolMaster iOS Eraser is the best program to use since the deleted data cannot be recovered. How to erase all data on iPhone while KoolMaster iOS Eraser. Step 1. Download and install the right application on your PC or Mac, and install the latest iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iDevice to the PC through a USB cable and ensure that the program recognizes it. Step 3. From the main interface, tap on Erase button. If need be, ensure that your data is safely backed up before erasing. Step 4. Select your security level for deletion and confirm your selection. Step 5. After a quick scan, the program will begin erasing your iPhone data instantly. Avoid disconnecting the iPhone before the completion of the entire process. iCloud can be used to erase everything on the iPhone. Go to iCloud on a browser or launch Find My iPhone from another iOS device. After logging to your Apple ID, ensure that your iPhone is on and has internet access. From the browser, you can see your iPhone. After your device is recognized, click on the actions at the bottom of the page and tap on Erase this phone.